Hello friends, how are you? I think you will be better. So today I have a glue gun and all we will do is understand what is the correct way to use a glue gun. Anyway, don't worry, it's not too difficult, so let's get started. So first we have to open it carefully. If you are a child, please do not use the cutter at all. So now we have opened it from all sides. Okay, it looks fine. And you can see this gun is of 40 watts. So this is its button and this is its wire, which I will open now. The quality of the wire is good, but it is very small. It is not even full 1 meter. This is glue gun stand, which is fixed on the front part of the glue gun. So now we will fix it. For this there are already 2 holes in the gun. Which you can move back and forth like this. Now you need some glue sticks. So first we are going to put a glue stick inside the glue gun. So that's done. Now let's turn it on. Okay, so now you can see after about 5 to 7 minutes the glue is melting and coming out. So friends, now let me show you how to work it. After using too much glue, you may notice that it gets smaller. When the glue stick becomes a little smaller, then we have to put another glue stick in it so that gun force can be applied from behind. This is its button. If you want, you can turn it off from here also. So now you must have understood how to use a glue gun. By the way, I really like this gun. Its color is good and shape is also very comfortable, and its weight also seems to be a bit more than my first gun. So friends, how did you like this gun? Tell me in the comment box, and if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.